So 18 months ago, we had a 3-day rain event, and upstream from where we sit, and we're about 300 yards right here from the Pigeon River, but upstream, they received over 22 inches of rain, and we had 30 inches of water in our entire building, shutting down our entire operation. No power, no sewage, no water for several days.
That was tragic. It's like one day you have a job, next day you don't. I was here the day that the floods started coming in, and it got to the point to where I just stopped what I was doing, told Wayne I had to go. I just had to go. I had to go get my kids, get them across the river before it got any worse. And I remember coming back in, seeing Mike Mullaney and Wayne and Jamie, Danny. Their faces told you everything. They were devastated.
We had water up to here and there. You can see around yonder where the water line is and everything. That was a mess. We had to get all the water out. Then you had, it's probably 6 inches of mud. You had to scoop all that out. Then you just couldn't throw it away. You had to go to hazmat because of all the chemicals and stuff. So it was really, really a pain.
With the shutdown, we had to evaluate what work we had that was worth bringing back. When we did the evaluation for what work was worth coming back, the biggest thing we needed to know was what work's coming back, how much gross margin we could get off that work to pay for the investment of getting any line back up and running. We did that methodically with every job we have in the building now. Not only did it help us come back and be profitable and get the work done for our customers, but it also helped us evaluate a lot of the business that we were doing before and whether it was profitable or not and whether we should take it back. And there's probably 25-30% of the work we were doing that we are no longer doing. Before Steelhead, we had a system. We decided a few years back that we needed to move and improve our business for our own growth. The ability to know how much production we have in the building is so much better with Steelhead. And it's very easy to look at what we have in raw material and in staging for plating and calculate exactly how many hours of production we have on any given production line, which is a lot easier for scheduling people, a lot easier for capacity planning, and it's easier, to see if we have room in the building for new quotes we're taking in.
You didn't see where your parts were at any given time, and this is one thing that is great about Steelhead is because it goes from raw inventory to staging to the plating line to weight check. Depending on treatments, it could go to post-process cure, post-process packaging. Each step, you'll know where these parts are at. And that is a huge benefit when you're trying to answer questions.
They can look on this tablet and see where it's at on the line. That way we know how long it's going to take. And then when it comes to writing the tickets, if there's more handwriting tickets, you just hit the button, press it out, everything out. All your information's already in the tablet. It's due Steelhead.
Now we can tell when the part's in raw and when it's took to the line for staging, and when they're plating it, and when they would do weight check, and then take it to shipping, and then shipping sends it out. So we know where our parts are any time once they're entered into Steelhead.
It probably 95% of the phone calls have been eliminated, truly.
Now we can look at Steelhead and see where it is in the process. That's a huge time saver. When the transition occurred to Steelhead, we had some production supervisors, a couple of them who are my age or a little bit older, a couple of them that have now been here 40 years, and they were incredibly afraid of the technology. Once it was introduced to them and they saw the ease of use, they took to it rather easily, and were really comfortable using the product and processing the parts through the system. Tim, who was one of our older production managers, now been here 41 years, never touched a tablet in his life, doesn't even have a smartphone. no problems using the system.
I mean, I'm not real smart on computer stuff, my age, I guess, but you know, I had no issue with it.
Team that came in here, you know, they spent long days working with first, second, and third shift for this implementation, and very accommodating for our people, and our people were in turn very accommodating for them during the deployment. We were able to get, at that time, all 18 production lines that we had going all done within about 40 days. As we've continued rebuilding from the flood, we've been able to increase our revenue by about 25-30%. And with that, you know, with becoming more efficient, with knowing our capacity and what a line can do at any given point in time, or any given week or any given day, we were able to schedule all of that additional revenue with our existing headcount. Didn't add any headcount at all.
I'd say during a day, it saves me about 2 hours not having to count those tickets, the information on those tickets daily. If I did not have Steelhead for the invoicing side, I would not be able to help with receiving.
We're still today utilizing more and more of it that we haven't in the past. We'll continue to grow with Steelhead and improve our ERP system with Steelhead and improve what we're doing internally.